everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on the mysteries of black holes. Black holes are regions in space with very strong gravity. They form when massive stars collapse. Black holes can pull in everything, even light. This makes them invisible to us. Scientists find black holes by observing nearby stars. There are different types of black holes like stellar and supermassive. The biggest black holes are at the centers of galaxies. Black holes can merge to form bigger ones. They can bend light and time around them. Studying black holes help us understand the universe. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.